Hello and very welcome. Today's just a quick video about the update of the Grid 909 drum pattern MIDI generator. It's now available in version 1.1.1 and there are quite some interesting new features available. So the first thing is that you now can save your custom presets. So you go to custom, then change whatever you want here, and then you can save them, give it a name, test 2, and now it's here available. This is very handy if you have several setups. So now you can also do that. And there's another cool feature. Let's clear all. You can change the length of a pattern and creating by reducing or extending the length of each row, you can create interesting polyrhythms. I think this is also a very nice feature. And if you double click, it jumps back to 16. And let's generate some patterns first. Choose whatever genre you want. Change the settings from here to Dramazone 2 because I'm triggering Dramazone 2. And let's generate, hit generate, and play. So what you can do, as I said, here, let's reduce it. Also change the snare probably and the hi-hat length here. Right length. Let's go to 5 probably. And what's also handy, if you hit generate all, those lengths keep the same. So you can try different MIDI configurations with the same length. Let's change the rim. Yeah, you get the idea. It's very interesting that you can do that. Hope you like it. You can grab it from the Kreuzberg Audio website. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. And to the community, please provide more input. It's definitely helpful and I will listen to you and will include it in future updates. So see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.